We have often been in a situation when you go and pray to the God. May it be in temple, mosque, church, or it's a simple wish that you put before the God by closing your eyes. That, hey God, fulfill this or that of my ambition, my wish. I'll be grateful to you. Often people always say, I'll do something for you. Well, I do not agree to this transactional approach towards prayer. But that's not what we are talking today. When you pray to the God and God doesn't listen to you as per your understanding and your assessment, then you are bound to feel upset and you are bound to feel frustrated. But let me tell you, the energy or the divine energy as it is called, or I call it as the energy of goodliness, is always listening to you and is always working for you. Of course, it will work for you only when you continue to make an effort to achieve your wish or achieve your targets or achieve your ambition. If you do not continue to work but simply continue to pray, then I am doubtful whether this energy of goodliness, divineness or godliness can do something for you. And therefore I always believe that yes, you must pray, because prayer is nothing but an attitude of gratefulness. It is an attitude of gratitudeness. It's also an opportunity to commit to your own ambitions and your own wish for the success in life. Therefore, do not be under impression that divineness, goodliness, godliness is not listening to you. It is always listening to you. What actually obstructs or hampers is your own initiative to continue to work towards your so-called success, ambitions, and so-called your targets and goals that you have set for yourself. Rather, the faith in divine, God, goodliness or divineness is a matter of one's belief. The more belief you have, the more commitment you will have towards yourself. And more committed you are, more determined you will be to bring in reality each and every of your wish. So, God, goodliness, godliness, divineness always listens to you. In fact, so-called God's silence means something better and blissful is being done for you. God's silence means something better and blissful is being done for you. Because it simply means that your prayers are yet to be answered, which means that your work to achieve your prayers, achieve your target, and achieve your goals in life is still an incomplete journey. The goodliness, godliness, the God and divineness responds to you in favorable only when the journey is complete. So the silence is during the incomplete phase of a journey. The moment journey is complete, you get rewards, recognitions, benefits, awards, and that's a gift of a divine. And that's what we understand as God has heard my prayers and He has responded to my prayers. But in the interim period, He is continuing to respond to you and listening to you. And His response to you is, look, you need to carry forward this journey. Your journey is still incomplete. You need to put in more efforts and energy. And that's only when your journey is complete. My response to you will be through the awards, rewards, recognition, or the win that you deserve to have at that point in time when your journey is complete. And therefore, I strongly believe, and I often say, that God's silence means something better and blissful is being done for you.